The vocabulary word we are exploring now is rebuild. Rebuild. Imagine a house destroyed by a storm. The damage seems overwhelming, but slowly, brick by brick, it's restored. That's the essence of rebuild. It's about taking what was broken and making it whole again, whether it's buildings, relationships, or dreams. Let's explore its meaning, examples, and a short story to understand it better. Meaning of rebuild. Rebuild means to construct again after destruction, or to restore something that has been damaged or lost. Examples. They worked together to rebuild the village after the flood. He is trying to rebuild trust with his friends. The company is working hard to rebuild its reputation. Short story. After a devastating fire, Liam's bakery was reduced to ashes. For weeks, he felt hopeless, staring at the ruins of his dream. But encouragement from loyal customers gave him strength. With their help and his determination, he began to rebuild. New ovens replaced the old, fresh paint covered the walls, and the smell of bread returned. The reopening day was filled with cheers and gratitude. Rebuilding wasn't just about walls and machines, it was about hope. Liam realized that sometimes destruction clears the way for stronger, more meaningful beginnings.